did it go wrong? Please tell me, who do I blame? Just name them, what do we do in this moment? Take to the streets, they're empty, storm the parliaments. They're shut down, no one in charge but the rodents. But we're not going to let this thing get out of hand. You know, we've got a plan, you know, 'cause we're not going to lose the best things we ever knew just because some bad wind blows. Talk to the trees, they'll listen, talk to the bees, they know, talk to the rivers, they've been around. Open your mouth and speak out, open your eyes and see, open your heart, it's a key. 'Cause we're not going to let this thing get out of hand. You know, we've got a plan, you know, 'cause we're not going to lose the best things we ever knew just because some bad wind blows. From the mountain tops to the seas, the swallows will swoop to the breeze. If we just fly from our green